In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your design file on Figma. We'll do this by focusing on one simple but essential habit, giving your design file a clear, consistent name so you and your team can find it instantly and understand what it contains at a glance. Start by opening the Figma website in your browser. Many teams access or hand off Figma work through Figma's web interface, and the naming flow is similar in both tools. Once you're on the site and looking at your projects, locate the design file you want to tidy up and click on it to open. This brings you into the file so you can update its title right where you work. Inside the file, look to the top bar where the current file name is displayed. You should see a small arrow pointing downward right next to the name. Click that arrow to reveal the file options, then choose Rename. Type a clear, descriptive title and press Enter to save it. Why does this matter? A thoughtful file name saves time, reduces misunderstandings, and makes collaboration smoother. When someone searches later, a good name is the difference between found in seconds and lost in a maze. Consider including the client or product name, the platform or scope, and either a version or date. For example, instead of final, use something like Product Web Checkout Exploration V2 or Acme iOS Profile 2025-0115. Keep the most important details at the front so it's easy to scan. Avoid vague labels like new, latest, or final, and be consistent with hyphens or underscores so names are easy to read and sort. If your team prefers dates, stick to a sortable format like year, month, day. If you use versions, increment them deliberately when major changes are made. A couple of quick tips if you run into issues. If you don't see the arrow or the rename option, you may not have edit permissions in that file. In that case, ask an editor or owner to rename it for you. Most cloud design tools autosave, so your new title should update instantly and appear in dashboards and links shortly after. And if you're presenting live, consider renaming before you share your screen to avoid confusion for viewers. That's it. By opening your file, using the arrow next to the name, selecting Rename, and entering a thoughtful title, you've taken a small step that makes a big difference in how organized your design work feels and functions.